Hello, what's up? So this weekend we're going on a small hike and we have the new Mission 1 Pro from GoPro with us. And yeah, let me take you along and share some tips and tricks how to get the best out of your GoPro.
With its 1-inch sensor, the Mission 1 Pro delivers absolutely stunning 8K video quality. To get the most out of the image, I'd recommend to switch the bit depth to 10-bit and turn on Apply to All. That way, the setting is carried across all other modes on the camera. Super useful. Next, I set the bitrate to maximum. For sharpness, I prefer low, for a softer, more natural looking image. And on bright sunny days, I set the exposure value compensation to -0.5 to protect the highlights. The new low-light capabilities are absolutely glorious. At this point, I could barely see anything with my own eyes. However, try to keep your low-light shots as steady as possible, so the high ISO settings don't mess with the image quality. For slow motion, there's not much to add, except that 240 frames per second in 4K makes everything look absolutely majestic. And the slow-mo burst option with up to 960 frames per second is just super fun to play around with. Altogether, this makes the Mission 1 Pro a cinematic powerhouse to carry in your back pocket throughout your trips and travels.